Kamusta mga balibulista? Panalo ang Cherry Tigo crossovers kontra sa Farm Fresh 29-27, 15-25, 25-22, 25-21. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Araga lang sa likod ng kanyang 20 points, 16 attacks, 3 blocks, 1 ace at 8 digs. Nag-ambag naman si Adorador ng 18 points, Robles 13 points, Rodriguez 7 points, Maranyo 5 points, Gaston 3 points, Dapol 3 points, Bicar 3 points, Sato 2 points, Nabor 1 point. Para naman sa natalong Farm Fresh, nagtala si Tobo ng 22 points, Riza Cross 12 points, Turing 12 points, De La Cruz 12 points, Bertolano 9 points, Dakis 3 points, Romero 2 points. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Pinataob naman ng Zeus Thunderbells ang Signal HD Spikers 19-25, 25-23, 25-20, 23-25, 15-12. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Chenny Arroyo sa likod ng kanyang 20 points, 18 attacks, 2 aces, 18 digs, 1 excellent reception. Nagtala si Troncoso ng 21 points, Gagate 16 points, Gamit 13 points, Gonzaga 8 points, Mondonedo 2 points, Pascual 2 points. Para naman sa natalong Signal HD Spikers, nagtala si Gandler ng 23 points, Lalongisip 16 points, Acona 12 points, Doria Aquino 9 points, Fernandez 7 points, Cayuna 7 points, Abel 5 points, Conada 1 point. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings ng play-in tournament as of March 11, 2025. Sa Group A, Signal HD Spikers 1 win 1 loss 4 points. Zeus Thunderbells 1 win 0 loss 2 points. Capital One Solar Spikers 0 win 1 loss 0 point. Sa Group B naman, Cherry Tigo Crossovers 2 win 0 loss 6 points. NLEX Lead Chameleons 0 win 1 loss 0 point. Farm Fresh 0 win 1 loss 0 point. Kung umabot ka dito sa bahagi ng video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang mga laro ngayong March 13, 2025 na gaganapin sa Phil Sports Arena. Maghaharap ang NLEX Lead Chameleons at Farm Fresh alas 4 ng hapon. Maglalaban naman ang Capital One Solar Spikers at Zeus Thunderbells alas 6:30 ng gabi. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.